Rakhi is around the corner, so this time Sudiksha told me she wanna make something special for her brother. So Sudiksha, what do you wanna make?
Today I'm gonna make my brother's favorite easy Biscoff cheesecake.
Yes! So let's get started.
Yeah! So first, I'm gonna crush some Biscoff cookies. These are so yummy. I love them. Crush, crush, crush. Wow. It looks like sand. Now we're gonna put them in the short glass and flatten them. Flat, flat. In each short glass. Then take soft cream cheese. Then add some sugar to make it sweet, obviously. But powdered sugar, not normal sugar. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ah. Now add some Biscoff Spread. Kind of sticky. It tastes just like Biscoff cookies. When. As you can see, my mom's scared because I'm trying this for the first time. Then add some chilled heavy whipping cream. Whee! Look at this, it's so creamy and soft. It looks delicious already. It does taste delicious. Then I'm gonna put them in a piping bag. Now I'm gonna pipe them in each short glass. After that, I'm gonna freeze them for 15 minutes. I'm gonna put them in the freezer for 15 minutes. While the cheesecakes are in the freezer, I'm gonna melt some Biscoff Spread and pour it on the cheesecakes. You can make it a single layer, but since I'm making it, I'm gonna make it a double layer. Now, I'm gonna repeat the steps. First, I'm gonna add some crushed cookies. Then, I'm gonna add the cream that we made. Whee! And then I'm gonna drizzle the melted Biscoff. I love pouring it on it. It's so relaxing. For the final touch, I'm gonna sprinkle the edges with some extra crushed cookies. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Now, I'm going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. The best part is it doesn't spoil for a whole week. And whenever you want to serve it, you can take it out and garnish it. Here is my Biscoff cheesecake. I hope my brother will love this.
Yes. Can I call your brother?
Yeah. Look what I made for you.
Yum. Yeah.
Let
me bring his phone, okay?
Looks yummy. Is it delicious? Yeah. Wow, it's so yummy. Did you make it?